Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add effects pack in Filmora. Adding effect packs in Filmora is a great way to enhance your video editing, so here's how you can do it. First of all, open the Filmora application on your preferred device and make sure to log into your Filmora account as well. After you're signed into your Filmora account, by entering your credentials, go ahead and look for this download icon at the top right and click on it. This will take you to your Wondershare Filmora website. From the home page, click on the Effects tab at the top and go ahead and select whether you'd like to download Filmora Effects or After Effects. After selecting one of the options, you will be able to see the available effect packs. Select the effect packs you'd like to download and click on the download button right under the preview. Choose the type of templates you would like to download and click on it. You will then be able to download the pack that you just selected in a zip folder. Click on the open file button after it is done with the download and then go ahead and launch Open Filmora app again. Once you open up the Filmora app, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right and click on My Effects in the pop-up. After you are done clicking on it, you will be able to see the downloaded effects pack. Click on Download or Install right next to them and you will be able to see that the download process has begun. Wait for a few minutes so that the effects can be added to your Filmora library. Once it is completed, wait for a few minutes until Wondershare Filmora refreshes the category information. After the refreshing category information is completed, you will then be able to see the effects inside your Effects tab. You can then apply the effects onto your video anytime you want. So that's how you can easily add effect packs in Filmora. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.